Hey guys, let's test the speed on this UGREEN enclosure. This is for M.2 NVMe. So I have one just right here. If I just open, you see that I have this Western Digital. The model is PCIe SN730. So I expect to have here at least 500 megabytes per second. Between 500 and 1000. That'll be okay. And let me just see here if I don't have any bottleneck with the enclosure, okay? So that's UGREEN. Let me just connect the cable here. And I can connect to my computer. There we go, connected to the USB-C port. And then it just pops up here. Let me just connect the cable here so I can record the screen as well. There we go. Now you can see better here the results. So I'm going to use here the disk speed test from Blackmagic. So I just need to come here and select the target drive, which is the Western Digital NVMe. And I can also select the file size. Let's just start with 1 gigabyte. And I can open Finder here as well, so I can see the file size, all right? So I just hit start. And you see that there's 1 gigabyte file here. So it's just writing here on the disk, on the SSD, okay? And I have here around 1000 megabytes per second on the write, and read is about 800 and something, 875 now. You see, keep testing. It's more than 1000 megabytes per second, which is okay. Let me just stop the testing here and test with the 5 gigabytes per second, okay? I expect here to have some dropping on the speed. That's okay, 763 for the write, and for the read, 860, which is good. Still pretty fast here with the write test, 600 and something. So it's working pretty fine. Meanwhile, let me just measure here the temperature. So I have here 81, about 81 Fahrenheit. Okay, I don't have the thermal pad here inside, so if I use the thermal pad, I can have the enclosure dissipating the heat even better, but it's around 81 Fahrenheit, all right? There we go, back here to the test. You see, still testing and writing on the SSD, 651, and one more time for the read, 800 something. So it's working pretty fine as expected, so I don't have any bottleneck here related to the enclosure and the cable, and also my connection here to the USB-C port. Just remember that you need to have a fast USB port, the original cable, and you're good to go, okay? Let me just eject here. There we go. So basically that's the UGREEN. It comes like this with this rubber for the enclosure as well. So if you drop it, you're not gonna break it. You can just connect the USB-C cable here. And here there's information to push to open. Pretty easy like this, just push to open. And to insert the SSD, you just need to rotate this pin here. It's a retention pin. Then it just remove. It's easy to remove because it's spring loaded, so you can just remove from here and put it back just like so. Super easy. Okay. So I'll leave the link in the description for this one. You can get this on Amazon. Just put this back to its place. There we go. So you can just get this on Amazon. And I hope you like this video. Leave your comments here. Subscribe to this channel and give me your thumbs up. See you in the next one.